In this episode, we will be discussing California tenant right to repair and deduct rent or quit. The California Civil Code, Chapter 2, Section 1942 grants tenants the authorization to make repairs to the dwelling unit under the following conditions and deduct the cost of those repairs from the next rent payment. Landlord neglects to repair property. If within a reasonable time after written or oral notice to the landlord or his agent of dilapidations rendering the premises untenantable, which the landlord ought to repair, but neglects to do so, the tenant may perform the repair where the cost of such repair does not exceed 1 month's rent and deduct that cost from the rent when due. Or the tenant may quit and vacate the premises, in which case he or she shall be discharged from further payment of rent. It is important to note this remedy shall not be available to the tenant more than twice in any 12-month period, or if the condition was caused by the violation of the laws in our video titled California Tenant Obligation to Maintain Fit Dwelling. 30-day presumption of reasonable time. If a tenant acts to repair and deduct after the 30th day following notice, he is presumed to have acted after a reasonable time. However, this presumption is a rebuttable presumption affecting the burden of producing evidence and shall not be construed to prevent a tenant from repairing and deducting after a shorter notice if all of the circumstances require shorter notice. For additional laws and articles, visit AmericanLandlord.com.